Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Mr. Crypto Tracker is here. The weekly candle is just closed and I'm going to have a weekly update as always. And I will start with Bitcoin. This is the monthly chart of Bitcoin and I talked about these long-term trend line in my previous videos, and this is very important for us. And right now the price is at the edge of this trend line and also the previous all-time high. Let's go to weekly time frame to have a better view. So the last week, actually the last 2 weeks, we faced a rally in the market, and over the last week, we experienced a drop, and this candle completely engulfed the previous weekly candle, and also it dropped below the previous all-time high, and also it somehow engulfed this long-term trend line, this blue trend line. And if it can stay below the previous all-time high, below this red line, and also below this trend line, then the possibility of going to the lower level is so high, in my opinion. And as I talked about the Bitcoin chart, also this chart, I talked about this chart and also tweeted about it. And the first important support area for me is this area, the $12,800 to $14,200. This is an area of support for me. And if the price wants to continue to go down, the first support that I expect to see some sort of bounce or relief rally is this blue box. So keep these important levels on your charts, then you can trade based on these important levels. Another important point that I tweeted about it, let's show you tweet. This is my tweet about Ethereum with Bitcoin pair. I tweeted on September 6th and I said, I think here is the end of the story for Ethereum rally against Bitcoin. And here we are. And from this this tweet up to now, let's see how many percent we dropped. We dropped almost 20%. And I think still it can continue to go to lower levels. And also you can see the price of Ethereum drops as well. Here is the Ethereum. That tweet was around $1,600, I think, and we are in $1,349 right now. So let's come back to Bitcoin. Here we are for Bitcoin. And yeah, so I highly recommend you to draw these important lines on your charts. The possibility of going to this level is so high, but I think it's all of these possibilities are depending on the next Fed meeting, which will be on September 22nd. If the Fed decides to increase the interest rate to 1%, then the possibility of going down is high. But if they just decide to increase it by 0.75, then the speed of going down will be lower than the first case, the 1% case. So this is for Bitcoin. I already talked about Ethereum a lot, and here are my important areas. Just let me clean it a little bit. So here, the first support would be this area around $1,000 to $1,100. But the main support is this area from $800 to $1,000. And still, I think the best area for accumulating Ethereum would be around $400 This is the price I will start to accumulate in Ethereum. And also in my previous videos, I talked about USDT dominance, the Tether dominance, and also USDC dominance. So let's start with Tether dominance. In weekly time frame, we have these long-term channel. We talked about this long-term channel in previous videos. Let's go to the daily. In the daily, I talked about these two important areas, and after having some sort of a retracement from these resistance, it finally broke the resistance to the upside, and I think it can start to going higher. It means if the dominance, the Tether dominance starts going up, the market will going down. And also the situation is the same for the USDC dominance. It is it breaks the resistance and stayed in the upside. So still going to this a yellow line is my target. And if this happens, you know what will happen in the market. And also I tweeted about the total crypto market cap, and I just put it here. Still, this orange box is my target support. If this happens, definitely Bitcoin and all other crypto assets will go down. They will bleed badly. And just this is for keep you update. And also today I tweeted about Bitcoin dominance. If those scenarios I already explained in this video, if those scenario happens, we can see the dominance of Bitcoin starts to going up. And this is not a good news for altcoins. If this happens, altcoins will suffer badly. So this is all for today. I recommend you to follow me on Twitter if you don't do it so far. Please follow me on Twitter. I usually share my ideas on Twitter as well. For example, here today I tweeted about the pancake swap and I shared my ideas, and let me show you. I think the pancake swap will go down so badly. So this is just my idea. It doesn't mean it will happen for sure. And also I talked about Matic today in my Twitter. So please follow me on Twitter. I will put the link in the description. And also I have a Telegram channel that's absolutely free. You can also join my channel. I will share more of my ideas and my scalp trades in my Telegram channel. So see you in my channel. Have a good time.